Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. So in this video, I'm going to be working on our coffee bar for the 4th of July, but I'm going to add in some other items as well, stuff for making s'mores, some different treats and snacks. And I will add to it when the 4th of July is here, but I want to get a jump start on it. So that's what I'm working on in this video. Let's get started. I thought I would go ahead and share where I picked up some of these items I will be using for my coffee bar. The plate and napkins, I picked up those at Walmart. The bandanas were purchased at Walmart quite some time ago. The scarves from Dollar Tree, I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or not. And then all of these items came from Hobby Lobby and they were 40% off. I picked up 2 of these coffee mugs. Really like this mug, and the handle says Land That I Love, so I did get 2 of those. And it was $2.99. I thought that might be a fun accent. Some straws and this sign right here. I just wanted some small decor pieces to use with my coffee bar. And then I got these wood beads as well. And then this little dish. I wanted another one, but I only got one. I picked up this container of sprinkles because I'm going to be making some cupcakes, and I found these at Walmart by the ice cream toppings, so you might check there if you haven't been able to find something like this and are wanting some. Container of chocolate chip cookies from the Walmart bakery. It's right around $5 and there are 52 cookies inside, and they're a softer type of cookie. My family really likes those, so I went ahead and got one of those. I also picked up a package of hot chocolate to have that on hand, as well as some extra coffee. I also have some coffee stirrers and then some to-go cups with lids that are insulated and great for hot drinks, and I picked both of those up at Walmart. And for the s'mores, I picked up graham crackers and some different candy bars, and I actually got the wrong ones. These have almonds, so I'm gonna need to pick up some plain milk chocolate candy bars, but these are gonna get used, that's fine. And then I also went ahead and got some Reese's as well. I've heard people use these for s'mores, and so if you've done that before, let me know your thoughts on that, but I thought it might be fun to give it a try, so I picked up one of those. Of course, marshmallows. I got the large size as well as a package of the mini size for hot chocolate. And then I went ahead and picked up some chocolate chips. Something else that I picked up, red, white, and blue M&Ms. I ended up having to order these online and have them shipped, but I think these would be fun to decorate cupcakes with, or cookies, or even just having them in a fun candy dish to add that red, white, and blue color for the 4th of. So here's a look at the corner of my kitchen where my coffee bar and snack station are gonna go. And I think it's gonna take up most of this space, especially on the 4th of July when I add to it. And I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of talking during the video. I'll try to find some fun music to add in when I edit the video, and then we'll just take a look at it in the end. So I know I said I wasn't going to do a lot of talking, or didn't think I was, but I thought I'd go ahead and share where I picked up these pieces. Just in case you're wondering, I picked up this shelf at Wayfair. They also had it on Amazon. If I can find a link to it, I will put it in the description below. And then the red vintage truck I purchased from QVC, and if I can find a link for that one, I'll put it in the description below as well. So back to work. because I mentioned it, I thought I would show you how soft these cookies are. This strand of beads would be a fun addition to my 4th of July decor. They were $4.99, but they were 40% off, so they were very inexpensive. I wish they were just a little bit bigger, but they fit really nicely on the shelf, and I think they add a fun pop of color. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I like the 2 bigger jars in the tray or the 2 smaller jars that I've had for a long time. I bought these from Dollar Tree and just added the label to them. I've used them in coffee bars before in some of my videos. I think I'm going to go with the 2 smaller ones, put marshmallows and chocolate chips. So I'm really happy with how this looks. I know this is a bit of an awkward angle because I'm kind of crouched down on the counter to fit in the frame, but for right now, I'm really happy with this. I usually have to mess with it several times before I figure out exactly how I want it, but I'm liking this so far. And I know I'm gonna add to it. I'm definitely gonna be making some cupcakes, decorating those, and maybe a few other things, so I'll have to move things around at that time. But for right now, I'm really happy with this. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a few ideas. If you did, please like it and comment to let me know. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps my channel out. If you're new here, I would love it if you hit subscribe and hung around. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day and a wonderful and blessed 4th of July. Thanks for watching.